Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Athirah binti Roslan and I am from EMD 5M ECB. So today I'm going to present to you about my project 2 of my MEC 522 control course. The project is development of smart apartment window and door using LDR sensor and servo. So let's get to it. So the first components I use is micro servo connected to the temperature sensor. This is for the Windows system, and the left one micro servo 2 connected to the ultrasonic distance sensor. This is the door system, and both of them connected to the Arduino Uno R3 board, and this is the wires and two breadboard. Okay, let's start the simulation, shall we? 1 second. Okay, just imagine the turquoise dot here is the person. I have set for the ultrasonic distance sensor to read the distance is 300 centimeter. This one, V distance less than 300 centimeter. So when the person, the dot here moves within the 300 centimeter, and the servo will rotate. This indicates the door will open for them. And just imagine when the person has moved into the room, then the door will close. And okay, wait a second. Okay, so when the person wants to go out, the door will open for them, and as the person moves far from the 300 centimeter, and the servo will return to its normal position, which indicates the door is closing. Okay, moving on to the Windows system. So the temperature I have set here is 30 degrees. So when the temperature sensor has detected 30 degrees Celsius, upper than 30 degrees Celsius, the servo will rotate. 30 degrees Celsius is for the weather. When the weather is too hot, 30 degrees Celsius, the curtain will close. So let's see. So this is 25 degrees Celsius. The 25 degrees Celsius, the door will close. So let's move up to 35 degrees Celsius. As we can see, the servo will start to rotate. Indicates the door is closing. Indicates the window is closing. I'm sorry. And when the temperature has dropped, this is 35 degrees Celsius, and just imagine that 17 that night, and the servo will return to its normal position. So that's it for the simulation. Let's move to the block diagram. So this is the block diagram I use for the circuit. This one is rotate the servo on pin 6. Rotate the servo on pin 6 to 0 degrees. It is for the setting. So this is the pin 6. Pin 6 indicates here 6. And I use if V distance, this is the variable V distance under than 300 centimeter, because I set the distance unit is centimeter, 300 centimeter. Then the rotate servo on pin 6 because pin 6. Wait 1 second, rotate servo on pin 6 to 180 degrees. So, and then the rotate servo on pin 6 to 90 degrees back to its normal position. So the next one is the servo for the Windows system. Yep. The window system is connected to the pin 5, and set the temperature to read temperature sensor on in analog 10. Analog 10 is here, the temperature sensor which is connected to the A10, A0, sorry, A0, and the temperature sensor upper than 30 degrees, then the servo will rotate, indicates the door is closing. The window is closing. Okay. And when the else is for when the temperature is lower than 30 degrees Celsius, the servo pin on pin 5 will rotate to its original position. So that's it. That's my project 2. Smart development of smart apartment window and door using LDR sensor and servo. Thank you.